In this tutorial, I am going to use rollers to straighten my hair and give you a few tips on how you can get better results. My hair has not seen a roller or rod set since maybe 2017, I think. As my hair got longer, I just wasn't interested in the extra styling anymore, so know that this video is a labor of love. I am prepping my hair with Aveda Damage Remedy Restructuring Shampoo and Treatment, and then I'm going to divide my hair into sections for rolling. You really just want to make sure whatever you use to prep, it has some protein in it, and silicone is not bad either on the conditioner side. It provides additional protection and frizz control with heat styling. To set my hair, I am using a combo I've used for years, and some of you may recognize it from a video I did way back in 2013. Aveda Smooth Infusion Style Prep Smoother and Motions Foam Styling Lotion. This smooth infusion has always been a favorite thermal protectant of mine for over 15 years, and I believe Aveda has reformulated it recently, but this is an older bottle for me, so I don't know what the new version is like yet. I do know that this Motions Foam has gone through a reformulation too, and this is a new bottle, so we're gonna find out now if it still does the job. One of the keys to roller setting is your partings. You want to make sure you are sizing the section by the width and diameter of the roller so the hair stays neatly wrapped on it. You also want to make sure the section is very well detangled and apply lots of tension when wrapping and rolling. If you have a lot of texture and you don't feel like you can get your hair stretched on these smoother magnetic rollers, you can try large flexi rods or self-grip rollers. As you all can see, I am in the Strong Arm Olympics here on Reach, but I'm trying to make sure to keep these rollers as neat as possible. Notice how I am pulling my hair forward and then rolling away from my face. This is called on-base setting, where the entire roller is sitting completely on top of that parted section. It's going to allow for more volume, which really doesn't apply to me with my hair being this length, but it's going to make it possible to get all of your rollers to fit where you need them on your head. I am using 3-inch diameter magnetic rollers and 2-pronged roller clips to secure them. So here's something else to consider. Depending on the foam styler you choose, you may want to use it by itself. I don't think there's enough thermal protection in the Motions foam, and I know I will be flat ironing this, so that's why I added the Aveda underneath. But something like a Nairobi foam wrap would be better applied by itself, as it also acts as a heat protectant and styler. After getting all of my hair rolled, I am going to sit under my Red by Kiss ceramic hooded dryer. I have no expectation of getting all these rollers under at the same time, so I'm just going to angle as much as possible in, and then I'm going to unclip and pull the bottom rollers into the top of the dryer halfway through the process. My total dry time was 2.5 hours, which is why I have stopped fooling with rollers, because I am not interested in the dryer time. And no, I am never air drying rollers, so don't ask. I don't recommend doing that at all, but if you want to do it and you must do it, may the odds be ever in your favor. After I get all these rollers out, I am going to apply a little bit of Chi Deep Brilliance, which is a silk oil. This particular version is discontinued, but the original formula in the gray and red bottle works just fine. As far as the Motions wrap lotion goes, I can tell it's different. It's not as crisp and smooth as it used to be. It feels a little heavier. It could be the oil that they've added to it. Something's Something in the balance is really different than what it used to be, but all in all, it still works. So it's worth a go if you haven't tried it yet. It retails for around $5 or $6. I'm going to finish smoothing with my FHI Heat Platform Ceramic Iron. This is my favorite tool brand, and I've been using them on myself and others for more than 15 years, and I am never disappointed. The quality of the material in the plates helps them glide more smoothly without transferring too much heat. You probably noticed I don't use titanium tools on curly hair. While they will give those very super silky silked results, they transfer too much heat and it can be very easy to end up with curl pattern damage. It's not a risk worth taking for a temporary style, in my opinion. After going through all the sections, I am going to wrap my hair around my head using a Denman paddle brush and natural boar bristle brush and secure it with my scarf for bed. The next morning, all I'm going to do is comb this down, and that is it. There really is no short route to straightening this much hair, so the roller set basically took the place of blow drying. It would have taken the same amount of time, but this was just less physical effort than brush blow drying sections. I hope these tips help you as you navigate and try different straightening techniques. Don't forget, I have a full playlist on my channel of them, and I'm going to link you to those in the description box below. I have some videos on straightening, how to maintain your blowout with workouts, alternative styles, and methods of getting to that straight, sleek look that you want. You're also going to find links to everything used in this video below or by visiting MoKnowsHair.com.